to choose a suitable refrigerator for your fine wine? Then our company's red wine storage refrigerator is definitely suitable for you. It is entirely black, giving it a very high-end appearance. The interior features a beechwood shelf, elegant and sophisticated. The glass doors on both sides are convenient for you to open. You can enjoy your red wine anytime. Imported professional compressor, quiet and energy efficient. The precise and convenient control system allows you to adjust the temperature at any time. This refrigerator can keep your red wine at its best taste. What do you think of this wine cooler? If you need, please contact me as soon as possible.